The lenses are, yeah. I'm Dave, and there's Tom. And here, play.
Welcome to Retired Time Productions.
So I'm going to put the wings on my SkyWalker here and take it out for a flight. And what I'm testing this time is a couple of things. Since we're here at the FPV flying circus put on by StoneBlueAirlines, and we're at an airport, we're limited in our range, how far we can go, and also I couldn't use my ground station repeater. So what I'm going to do is just use a set of circular polarized antennas. These are the IB Crazy antennas here. I'm going to use one of these and one on my goggles, and I'll have the laser brushless gimbal 1.3 gigahertz receiver in my goggles. So I'll just have the goggles with one of these antennas, and there's no ground station, it's just direct to the plane. So I won't have as much range as I normally have, but I can only fly around where the airport is anyway. And we have FAA clearance, we have clearance from the tower when there's no planes coming in, so it's all on the up and up, no problems with the regulations. And we can fly above 400 feet with permission, and so you may see me go above 400 feet, so that's not an issue right now. So I'm also going to be testing the FPVLR Pan tilt here with a 360 degree Sail Winch Servo underneath. So I'm going to rotate that around 360 and look behind the plane. Going to test that. And I also want to try FlyByWireA while I'm up there and see how that works. So just a couple of things I'll be testing. So I never do a flight just for fun. You know, it can't be just for fun. You have to test something. So that's what I'm going to be testing. I've got the regular PZ0420 board camera on here, and a Mobius is in here. And this is the narrow angle Mobius, not the wide angle, so it doesn't have the big lens on the front. I tried to put the Runcam in here, but the hole is off center for the Mobius, and the Runcam was being blocked by the wood right there. But anyway, I just want to say a shout out to East Coast. That's Mike. His YouTube channel is East Coast something, but I just want to say a shout out to Mike. And of course StoneBlueAirlines as well. Thanks Jeremiah. And thanks to IB Crazy, Alex Grieve. And also I wanted to say that this pan tilt doesn't seem to be available anymore on the FPVLR site. I couldn't find it. It's like they don't have it. So anyone knows where I can still buy one of these? It's made out of a plywood and it's well constructed. It seems to work well. Mike was wanting to know where he could buy one as well. So if anyone knows, it's the FPVLR Mobius Pan tilt. So we're looking for that, where to get it. So let's get flying. We're going to go ahead and test it out and see what it does.
Yep, good. Alright. Alright.
Looks good.
Okay.
You just never know, though.
You're right, absolutely right. Alright.
didn't want to leave it out in the middle of the driveway. Oh, okay, well, it was out in the middle of the roadway, so.
I was trying to land it near my tent. Yeah, I saw it was,
yeah.
but thank you. Yeah, thank you. I was coming back to get it.
Oh, you were the one belly landing it on the tarmac?
Yeah, because I wanted to get it near my tent. But, you know, coming through.
Good.
So that was the flight of the SkyWalker. I got to try out FlyByWireA, and I got to try out the 360-degree servo.
Stop quick.
And I was just using the laser brushless gimbal receiver in my Fat Sharks on 1280 megahertz. Got some HD video on the Mobius. The Runcam wouldn't fit in the holder, so I had to use the Mobius. And everything came out pretty good. Got the DVR working on the goggles, and I remembered to push the button when I was done, so everything worked out good. And now we're here at the FPV festival, the Flying Circus, and people are doing some night flying with quads and such with LEDs. Pretty good. Having some fun.
Here, play.